What's up, everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing and budgeting video. Okay, you guys, today if you hear music in the background, I'm kind of sorry. I hope y'all don't hear it, but Will in there juicing. So just try to, overlook that. Hopefully everything be okay with the video too. But I got to get this content out before I go to work, so we're going to go and give it a whirl. Okay, y'all, let's go over this budget. Let's see. Okay, so I didn't work at all doing DoorDash on Wednesday. Wait a minute, Sunday, Monday, on Tuesday, I'm sorry. Yesterday, which was Wednesday, I made $18 doing DoorDash. I had a lot of stuff to do and had to get home. Okay, so Canva came out yesterday and that was $15. And then Planet Fitness came out today, and that's paid. But I haven't did my budget, and I guess I could write that in there, Planet Fitness. And we can go over this. Oops, let me move my pretty little doggy. Okay, so for 17, we had Planet Fitness. I did go to the gym. I think I told y'all that. And that was $26. Okay, so that all came out. Alrighty, you guys, that was, okay, so on the 15th, Canva came out, that was $15. Yesterday, I spent $10 at Publix for food, and yesterday, I also put a half a tank in my gas, in my tank before I came home, and that was $15, and of course, the Planet Fitness, $26 today, okay? I'm still working out this budgeting stuff, so y'all got to bear with me. I'm learning as I go. Y'all know how that is. I hope everybody has been doing well. How y'all doing? Hey. So, okay, we're going to start with Will's binder. Okay, this is his binder. And today, his emergency fund will be, let's count this money. What am I doing? I'm sorry, y'all. I'm trying to rush. I got to go live, too, and talk to y'all. So we got 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Now we are working on the car insurance. So, it is what it is. We got to keep working on that. All right, y'all. Let's get this out the way in my beautiful, from Miss Kim, my beautiful dollar thing. I still haven't got my non-permanent markers. We're going to put $2 in here. 1, 2. It's been 2 days, so we got that. So now we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 days. And right now, the new house fund, I'm going to get to it after I pay these bills. So we still got that saved, and we just got to keep adding to it. I don't want to pressure myself to add to that like every single time if I don't have it. The main thing I'm adding to now is my bills and savings, but that's getting added to as well. I just can't add to it like I want to. It sounds good, but it'll happen. Keep hope alive, right, y'all? Okay, so Will is going to be getting $20 for his emergency fund. Now he has $20, $25, $30, $31. Okay, then his savings will be getting $5. Okay, so we have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 in savings. A little something. Every little bit add up, y'all. Every little bit count. And birthday, we'll be getting $3. 1, 2, 3. So now, and his birthday is like right around the corner. It's next month. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now birthday has $9. Whew, you know, y'all, every year you wish you was already funded. I'm gonna get it though, y'all. You know, every year, you know how y'all be watching the videos and you see some things, everybody's birthdays is fully funded already and this and that. But it's a start. You know, sometimes some of us got to keep starting over until we get it. And I'm so confident that one day it will be. Everybody's birthday will be funded. Christmas will be funded. You know what I mean? Them just aspirations and goals and hopes. You know what I mean? But right now, it's a work in progress. Now we're going to go put a little money in mine. Okay. Let me see. Birthday will be getting $3. 1, 2, 3. My birthday is in September the 16th. If it's any Virgos out there, hey. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Personal care will be getting $5. I'm gonna need some personal care stuff. 5, 6, 7, 8. And then there. I always do this. And then clothes will get $2. 5, 6, 7, 8. I did just go buy me some bras. And I needed them, y'all. I just went and bought them. Actually, Will bought them for me, so I ain't really got to count my money. But he bought them. What was that? Over the weekend, we went and did a little shopping. He needed some shirts, and I needed some bras. All right, and then this will go towards beauty. And like I told y'all, I just spent like $35 in the beauty supply. I still haven't did my hair yet, but I bought my hair, some lashes, and some, that's it. I bought some hair glue, but that's for the lashes or something. So y'all, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And don't forget, smile, Jesus loves you, and so do I. Y'all, it's been, you know, I just been chilling. I've been relaxing. I've been checking on Auntie Sharon. She's going through her process. She's healing. She sounds good, you know, but, you know, after a major surgery like that, it is what it is, you know what I mean? So she's doing the best she can right now. Thanks for all y'all prayers and everything. So I'm going to get out of here and start getting ready for work, y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching my content. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all. And that's really all I got to say for this video. See you guys later. Bye.